Hi guys, and welcome back to Wondershare Repairit, your all-in-one solution for repairing different types of corrupted files. As promised, we're back with another tutorial, and today we're discussing a common issue experienced by Excel users. There's no denying that Excel is a powerful spreadsheet tool that millions of users rely on around the globe for data management. So today we're talking about different ways to fix slow Excel spreadsheets and make them more convenient to use. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the Wondershare Repairit YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future updates. With built-in formulas and an easy-to-use interface, Excel makes it easy to manage large data sets and execute several mathematical calculations within seconds. However, as with everything, it's not without its unexpected queries. For example, users sometimes experience slow Excel spreadsheets that make it annoying to manage and update data. Before we talk about how to fix the issue, let's first understand what can cause your spreadsheets to perform slowly. Because Excel is such an extensive program, there's a few reasons why your spreadsheets might perform slowly. However, these are the most common causes. If you didn't already know, Excel has a built-in names manager, which allows you to create names for different attributes such as formulas, names, constants, and more. On a regular Excel sheet, these defined names might not cause any problems. But when we're talking about a larger data set with dozens of fields, it's possible to have duplicates in the name manager, which can slow down overall processing. Using volatile functions to recalculate formulas is a great way to keep your calculations accurate all the time. But when you apply too many volatile functions in a single spreadsheet, it becomes challenging for Excel to execute all the calculations. So if you have an Excel spreadsheet with multiple volatile functions, try removing a few. Another factor that might slow down your Excel sheet is unresolved formulas, which is when there's a formula referencing a non-existent cell in the Excel sheet. If your sheet has too many unresolved formulas, you're bound to encounter slowed down processing. If you've added many column references in your sheet, it's important that they're well optimized. To be honest, we recommend avoiding column references if you're dealing with large data sets, as it helps to keep things simple. Finally, the size of the spreadsheet can be the reason behind slow processing. If you have a large spreadsheet, any formula you apply or calculation you perform can take time to execute. So now that you know what might be causing your Excel spreadsheet to perform slowly, let's run through a few ways to fix the problem. Having a large spreadsheet is one of the most common causes behind slow processing of a sheet. So try to keep your spreadsheets small and optimize them from time to time to ensure they're working properly. To do this, try reducing data sets, eliminating unused formulas, clearing empty cells, and removing cell formatting. If you've configured your Excel spreadsheet to perform calculations automatically, it might be one of the reasons behind slow processing. To avoid this, switch to manual calculations so Excel won't perform any unnecessary calculations, allowing you to execute calculations quicker. To enable manual calculations in Excel, click File and select Options. A new dialog box will appear on your screen. Switch to the Formulas tab. Then check the Manual button under the Workbook Calculations area. Press OK to apply these changes. Excel won't perform automatic calculations anymore, and you won't have to deal with slow processing. Now, if your Excel spreadsheet is still slow and you have too many volatile formulas, the next step is to get rid of them. Volatile formulas slow down the overall processing of your Excel spreadsheet, especially with larger files. So go ahead and remove these formulas one by one to restore the normal functionality of the sheet. And in case you're not sure what a volatile formula is, these include now, indirect, offset, and more. You can also speed up the performance of an Excel spreadsheet by converting unused formulas to values. There's many situations where Excel spreadsheets have too many unused formulas. Turning these formulas into static values will help your Excel spreadsheet to load more quickly. Here's how to convert formulas to values in Excel. Select a cell with the formula you want to convert and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then under the Home tab, click Paste. Now under the Paste Values section, select Values. And that's it, the selected formula will now be converted to its retrospective value immediately. You can repeat the same process for multiple formulas to turn them into values. When you apply references to entire rows or columns, Excel takes extra time to calculate the values, especially in larger sheets. So if you're using references in your document, try to apply them to individual cells instead of entire rows or columns. Finally, if none of those solutions worked, the last resort is to repair the file using a professional tool like Wondershare Repairit. In many cases, file corruption can be a major cause behind slow processing, and if that's the case, then the methods we covered earlier won't work. But with Repairit, you'll be able to repair the corrupted file and optimize it without any hassles. Repairit is a full-scale repair tool that's been designed to repair corrupted photos, videos, and files, such as PDFs, Excel spreadsheets, and Word files. Repairit has an easy-to-use interface, allowing you to repair corrupted Excel files in 3 easy steps. Here's how to repair your corrupted Excel files with Repairit. Install and launch Repairit on your system. Select the File Repair tab from the home screen and click the Add button to load the corrupted Excel sheets to Repairit's panel. Once the files are successfully loaded in Repairit, tap the Repair button at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. The tool will start repairing the documents immediately. Now, based on the corruption severity of the document, this process could take a few minutes to complete. After the process completes, you can check the file's preview by tapping the Preview button, or click Save to save the files on your system. Well, that's how you fix a slow-performing Excel spreadsheet on your Windows system. If you experience any issues implementing these solutions, let us know in the comments section down below. Drop a like below if this video helped you out, share it with others that might get benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to the Wondershare Repairit YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future updates. I'm Dan, and I'll see you next time.